Thanks, Greg. Great to be with you. As a former banker turned fintech founder, I couldn't be more excited to be demoing at Finovate, especially as we are unveiling a whole new set of features and have a special guest joining. So let's dive in. At Monit, we were founded on the principle of reinforcing and deepening relationships between small business owners and their primary bank or credit union. And now is the time where both parties are facing serious inflection points. Business owners who have historically struggled to stay on top of their financials have been severely impacted by the pandemic, and banks are rapidly adjusting to a new normal and what that means for relationship management and engagement in a virtual age. In support of both banks and their small business customers, I'm going to highlight two key components of the Monit platform today. First, we'll quickly revisit the suite of tools that business owners receive when their banks offer Monit. Then we'll spend a little more time delving into the bank-oriented features, which include portfolio analytics and targeting capabilities. At our last Finovate demo, we highlighted how the Monit platform serves small business owners. As a quick recap, Monit is a value-added service that banks provide to business customers. As a business owner, Monit is the tool that finally allows you to make sense of your current and future financials. We will very quickly review those core features, starting with automated cash flow projections based on a connection to the user's accounting software. Business owners can see both their historical cash trends and what is forecasted, which for many is the first view into the future of their business. Then there's a dashboard of key numbers, which includes more granular forecasts. And a core tenet of Monit is to always provide customized data-driven insights to business owners, which is on full display in the Insights feed. And importantly, each card is actionable. As most business owners maintain anticipated events in their head, Monit included an intuitive planning tool so owners can easily visualize the impact of those events well in advance and plan accordingly. Finally, we also built a PPP forgiveness optimizer to assist borrowers as they navigate the uncertain rules of forgiveness. As you can see, it is a very robust tool, which is sorely needed by business owners who are not financial people themselves. So business owners love using Monit as it empowers them with forward-looking intelligence about their business and helps them feel more confident as leaders. So that is a quick tour through the core features available to business owners. Now let's talk about some of the features that bankers find so useful in supporting their customers and deepening relationships. Here we have Jane Ryan. Jane is the marketing director for business banking at First Regional, and she is logging into the bank's portal. The first thing she sees is a dashboard of all Monit users at the bank. We start with pretty standard sign up and engagement data, then things get interesting. Remember, Monit maintains a persistent connection to each business owner's accounting software, for instance, QuickBooks or Xero. So we can present to the bank a real-time view into the financial vitals of their portfolio. This report is just scratching the surface and includes revenue and profitability trends, as well as some balance sheet data that we'll come back to. At the bottom of the report is where the data becomes super valuable. Jane can finally see exactly what the bank's share of wallet is by product. On the credit side, the bank's customers have about 3.5 banking relationships, and First Regional's share of wallet is only 32%, meaning the bank's customers have borrowing relationships with other lenders to the tune of $414,000 on average. That's a huge opportunity to further penetrate existing customers. The report also lists top competitors, which can inform a variety of product and marketing decisions. And of course, the same intelligence is available on the deposit side. As a former business banking executive, I would have killed to have this information on our portfolio. And the best part is we're just getting started. It's important to note here that this is aggregated information. That is, the bank cannot see business-specific data unless the owner provides permission. We found this to be a critical feature to increase broad acceptance of Monit by bank customers. And this approach is supported by national research from Barlow Associates. As you can see, the dashboard view is an amazing window into the bank's customer market dynamics, such as their share of wallet and key competitors. But let's go a step further and make it actionable. The bank can leverage Monit's analytics to surgically target customers with special offers that will reach them at the right time and resonate, all in the name of better serving customers and deepening relationships. So let's check out an example. So Jane goes in to set up a new campaign, and today it's a targeted promotion. She supplies the required information. In this case, she wants to make a special line of credit offer to customers who have between 2 and 6 months of cash on hand and a pro forma coverage ratio of greater than 2. That is, she's filtering for customers who likely need a little working capital supplement, but while they're also financially strong enough to support some incremental debt. There are a number of ways she can make this offer available to the population of qualified customers, and she chooses to present an insight within the app. You'll notice this insight messaging is served from an inventory of compliance-approved offers. And that's it. Jane has quickly structured and initiated a targeted campaign. The objective today was lending, but just as easily could have been merchant services or insurance products, as the financial and operational data that Monit can access is extremely powerful. So let's see how the offer is presented to the business owner. Switching back to the Monit app, the business owner, Megan, sees a card in her insights feed. We are careful to ensure that offers included in the insights feed maintain the same spirit of our standard insights, which is that they are relevant to an owner's financial situation and actionable. You can think of insights as suggestions from a trusted advisor, not a blind sales pitch. So here, Megan opens up the card to see contextual information on how a line of credit might benefit her business. Further, if she's interested in pursuing the special offer that the bank is presenting, there's an easy button to connect with her banker and allow her banker to see her latest financials to expedite the credit conversation. So quickly circling back to that campaign list, here we have a detailed tracking on the performance of each campaign, how many offers were sent, viewed, and acted upon. As a sales manager, you can even see how many inbound requests your bankers have received. This data in much of the Monit portal can be integrated into the bank's CRM system. And it's worth noting that even a modest response to a single campaign will easily cover the bank's annual fee for using Monit. So that was a simple example, but you see how Monit platform protects the privacy of individual businesses, which leads to higher usage, but also provides deeply actionable data to the bank to power deeper relationships while serving their customers more effectively and efficiently. With this type of targeting, you can forget about high cost, low efficiency direct mail, and relationship managers won't need to rely on those quarterly "how's it going" phone calls to customers in the hopes of revealing a product need.
Excellent. Thanks, Steve. So looking at this, you can see Monit has the two-sided platform that brings significant value to both the business owners and the banks that serve them. And on the bank side, there are clearly some really powerful tools here that help deepen relationships. It would be great to hear from a bank about the benefits that they're seeing.
Fair enough. Let's ask one of our bank customers. Through the magic of Zoom, we have Ashley Nagel-Ignayan, who's a chief digital strategist at Eastern Bank, a community bank based outside of Boston that's always looking for ways to help their customers. You might as well ask her directly.
Sounds fair enough. Hi, Ashley. Welcome to Finovate. So Eastern is currently using Monit with its business customers, and I'm really interested to hear how it's going and where you guys are finding the most value.
Thanks, Greg. We've found Monit to be a great partner and really the only fintech company providing business customers with critically important financial insights about their own businesses. Not only is it simple and easy for business owners to use, our bankers are excited about it. I can't tell you how many meetings I've been in where our bankers are so impressed with Monit's product features and how they help our customers gain a new perspective on their financials. It's incredibly compelling. It's good for customers, it deepens relationships with our customers, and we see it as a differentiator for us in the market, all with no tech integration on the bank side.
So not to put words in your mouth, but it sounds like you'd recommend Monit to other banks.
Well, yes. Listen up, everyone tuning in. This is a great product that helps business customers, and it has a great team behind it. We are really looking forward to continuing to build our partnership with Monit.
Thanks, Ashley. Really appreciate the kind words. We are excited as well, especially to help business owners and bankers navigate these uncertain times. Speaking of which, let's flip back to the report that we quickly saw earlier. There's some very interesting data points and trending we can provide back to the bank. Consider a risk management use case. We can slice the financial data by industry to show risk managers where there may be softness in certain industries or even green shoots in others, allowing them to calibrate the lending spigot in real time. Risk managers can finally monitor their portfolio with highly actionable data, all while preserving the privacy of the bank's customers. Imagine being able to see sales trends, accounts receivable aging, or expense and liquidity flows, all in real time for the bank's business customers. So Monit has a little bit of everything for the bank: a value-added service for your customers, tools to increase sales and marketing efficiency, and help with risk management. Monit can be deployed as a standalone white-labeled app or integrated into the bank's digital experience, and we're SOC 2 compliant. Look, it's abundantly clear that small business owners need support managing their financials, and this was true before the pandemic, which is why Bank of America began investing heavily in tools similar to Monit in early 2019. The Monit team set out to level the playing field for sub-trillion-dollar banks. So if you're looking to extend your digital advisory services to small business customers and create deeper, more profitable relationships, we'd love to speak with you in our virtual booth. And please consider us for Best of Show. Thank you to Ashley from Eastern Bank. Thank you to my colleague, John, who's our head of product and ran all the controls today. Talk to y'all soon.